Hello, welcome everybody. I'm Francisco Navarrete from Aplitop. Thank you very much to BCS for this opportunity to talk about our survey software based on Briscat Civil API. Let's start talking a little bit about Aplitop. Our company is specialized in the development of solutions for surveying and civil engineering. We have more than 30 years experience and we are Briscat developers since 2006. We have more than 18,000 users all over the world, and among the advantages of our applications are competitive prices. You can choose permanent or annual licenses, and also our applications are very easy to learn, and we provide high-quality technical support. We have developed 4 product categories: field software, that is for Android and Windows Mobile. You can install the application in a smartphone or tablet and connect with any GPS, for instance, like a geosystem GPS, and perform data collection and stakeouts. Second family is for surveying projects. You will see the demonstration later. It is based on CAD. It's installed as a plugin on CAD. Third product family is for point cloud. We have an application especially for management of point clouds coming from LiDAR, laser scanner, or photogrammetry. And we have also another application for stereo restitution. And the last product family is tunnels. We have special applications for the construction site and the office for processing tunnel data analysis. Aplitop is also a very innovative company. We have participated in several research and development projects about virtual and augmented reality applied to construction, BIM for infrastructures, and for instance, we have participated in the development of ISC alignment and ISC formats, working together with Building Smart International. Also, we are working with different universities. We have a wide variety of customers, for instance, government, both local, regional, and national government, big construction companies, engineering, architecture, mining, transportation, utilities, etc. Of course, independent professionals, surveyors, engineers, more. You can find several case studies in our website, but just to mention a few of them, we have from motorways in New Zealand or United States, trains in Canada, tunnels in Brazil, Norway, or Turkey, solar modules in Sweden, and many more. You can check them in our website. We have also an extensive dealer network. We have 2 types of dealers. One is surveying instrument resellers. Of course, many dealers of Leica Geosystems are also our dealers, and CAD resellers. Of course, many Briscat dealers are also our dealers. And now is an introduction about our software that we'll see later, the demonstration. TcpMDT installs on Briscat Pro, and is an all-in-one solution for surveying and civil engineering projects. You can choose between 2 versions. The standard version, you can manage topographic points, survey points. You can build a digital terrain model, generate contour lines, get profiles and cross-section, perform volume calculation, maps, utilities for plots, export to IFC, etc. The professional version, you can also design horizontal and vertical alignments. You can define road templates and different layers. It has commands for grading and earthworks. You can create the proposed ground, and it can generate reports for quantity takeoff and stakeouts, It has also tools for virtual tours and creating animations and videos. Also, it can manage pipe networks, and it has features for OpenB integration using IFC, BCF, and LAN XML files. These are the versions, and also you can choose optional modules. The surveying module, you can process total station observation, compensate transversal and networks, and perform coordinate transformation and use geodesy calculator. And with image, you can reference image, adjust and distort using control points. You can also insert pictures with location data and use webmaster services. Now, let's show the demonstration using our software TcpMDT installed on BizCAD Pro. I hope you enjoy. This is the main driver of the software. We are going to start importing a point coordinate file with data collected by a GNSS receiver. We can choose different file formats and options. We select the scale that is only for the size of text. Choose the file, as you can see that the routing has been automatically created. This is because it's a point code database in which we can link this code to the representation. For instance, we can choose to insert a block, as you can see, based on 1 point, 2 points, or 3 points, a line, or even an area, a polygon or a hatch. You can see the blocks has been automatically inserted in the ratio, and we can list now how many points we have in the drawing. The main data are shown, and the coordinates and code, and then we control the attributes with GPS observations, accuracy of every point, etc. Then we can edit software to check this data, the basic data, observation data, as you can see, and even the attributes, and we can link to a picture or any document. We have also a tool that allows you to directly select the point and show the picture or the document attached. Now we are going to create a surface and some regular network using points. We enable the surface ribbon, create surface, choose the name of a new file, and select which elements we are going to use. Points and block lines. Block lines are selected automatically because of the point codes, and we can select also boundary line graphically. Now we press OK, and the emulation is done. As you can see, it's a block, and we can determine now the values of any points and include even the accuracy of all values that in the emulation. And also we can get a weak profile, as you have seen. This is a surface, a brisk surface, a brisk steel surface, and we can use the tools provided by BizCAD Civil. For instance, we can enable elevations. Let's turn the visual style to realistic to see the colors, the color scheme. And we can activate the contours. This is a rather flat terrain, so we can select the distance, 20 centimeters between the minor contours and 1 meter for major contours. You can see here. And now we are going to insert an image based on webmaster service. We select from the catalog, we select a webmaster service, for automate. And now we need to define the production. We select the country and choose the productions provided for this country. And now the lower product for new service. Now the image has been inserted in the drawing as the relevant correlates, and now we're going to use the discussable tool for assigning an image to triangulation. It's done. Now we can hold the image and assign change the representation so that we can see the image assigning a texture to the triangulation. You can see. Now we can change the visualization, the view for a 3D view, so that we can see the terrain in 3D view with the texture. Now we are going to define an alignment to both long and cross sections. We can do this in several ways, but in this case we are going to use civil alignment. We enable the civil ribbon and use the alignment tool, and we are going to select the vertices. It's done. And now we are going to use our options for horizontal alignment and check that MDT can understand the discussed alignment. You can see the elements like arcs and clotoids, and we can use this alignment to both long and cross sections. We can select this tool for annotation so that you can see the start and end of each of the elements of the alignment. And then we can export this to a file because we will need this later. Now we enable the long sections ribbon and create a long section. First we select the element, and that's all. Press OK, and now draw the long section. We can select multiple options for representation. In this case, we'll use the font option, and you can see the terrain and the numerical data. You can customize labels, and colors, etc. Then we'll do the same for getting or creating cross sections. We select the element. We select 25 meters on left and right, and one cross section every 10 meters. Okay, and then we draw. This is in continuous mode. We could select also a standard paper size. It's done. The same way you can customize everything about the representation. And now the profiles are interactive. So if you will change the alignment or the surface, the profiles are automatically recalculated and redrawn. And you can see. Now we're going to save the drawing and continue the demonstration. All you have seen is based on the standard version of MDT, and now we are going to work with the professional version that is designed mainly for rows and other options. We can design first the vertical alignment, simple drawing on the long section. There are several options. So we could import an ABC file, an XML file, or simply draw a polyline on the long section and convert to a vertical alignment. We can add a vertical curve with different criteria. For example, we can give the tangles, the arrow of the parameter of the parabola, and that's all. We have the vertical alignment. We are going to export this to a file. We use loaded for the rows. And now we're going to define the templates, the section of the rows. In this case, has been previously defined. As you can select different options, you can see here in tabs, platforms, the ditching, the cut and fill slopes, then road breadths. Here you can select even road marks, and you can define all elements of the road. And then we have all elements. We are going to create a road file that is composed of several elements. We have them in the same way, example 1. So we have, we can automatically select all elements with a single button, and that's all. We have defined all the elements for the road. We can close this button and check the road has been defined. You can see in real time the top view and profile view. And once defined, we can, for instance, we can go to add a volume report by simply selecting the file and the 4 options. You can load a timeline report by station program about that and full hours and volumes. You can export, print and export this to different formats. And for instance, we can draw the product cross sections. In this case, let's select the A1 sheet size and draw in paper space for the cross sections of our rope. As I have said before, you can customize all parameters about the drawing and representation. Now we are going to go to the proposed terrain after the execution of the code for modifying the surface. So the angulation is going to be modified, and we'll get a new surface with the proposed terrain. And finally, we can simulate a modulation along the road with all elements. Here is the viewer with the terrain, the road with many contours, so that you can represent in 3D the terrain, the road, and even you could insert also outlooks, etc. Well, I expect you have enjoyed this demonstration. Now I'm going to play a very short video with a summary of our products, and many of them compatible with this class. Now you can visit our website where you can find information about our products. You can download a trial version, and also you can contact with our dealers. That's all. Thank you very much for your time, and we expect to be in contact with you. Thank you.